Hey everybody. As the title suggests, I had a problem with the EOS last week with the key stuck in the ignition, and like everybody else, I went to YouTube looking for how to fix it. You know, you did the key jiggle, you did the gear shifter back and forth and turning the steering wheel, but couldn't get the key out. The key wouldn't, the steering wheel wouldn't lock, so we had to leave the key in it. And it wasn't until after I had fixed it that I realized most people are going the long way around, dealing with a lot more aggravation, having to deal with the shear bolt situation, which is a pain in the butt. And 80 to 90% of people's problems with the key getting stuck is going to be in the switch. Do yourself a favor, start at the easiest thing first. The part's like 30 bucks. And it's easy to get to. You take the trim covers off the steering column, and it's right there. There's 3 bolts or 3 screws to take out. That's it. 2 pins, and I'll post a video or some pictures of the switch I'm talking about, but it's on the back side of the ignition. Put the key on one side, the switch is on the other. That switch is common. It's common for that switch to go out often, and that's going to probably be your problem. So don't try to take the steering wheel off. Do this first, and you'll probably thank me later. All right, right here. You can just squeeze in and pull up. And that'll be your top piece. That's out of the way. Now, right there, there's a screw that runs through and holds on right in here. So there's one on this side, one on the other side. You got to pull those out, pull the one out of the bottom, and you can get to the cylinder. Oh, your tilt steering, your tilt and telescopic steering lever, push it all the way down. Then you can start working to get it off. So there's that. Now I don't know if you can see that. Over by the connector, there's a little notch. That's where one key goes. I use a bobby pin. On the other side, there's another little tiny notch. I used a paper clip only because I didn't have another bobby pin shaved. Those little tips on the end, I got the other end shaved off. That's how you unlock it.